afternoon. Thank you again for tuning in to another episode of ProsTalk. For those who are just tuning in and may be asking, what is ProsTalk? So ProsTalk po is a social advocacy of Buildy. Buildy po is a platform for anyone that builds it. It's supporting the construction industry to professionalize and help businesses get the most from professional services. So today we have Mr. Dean Encontro. Hi, Dean.
Hi, ma'am. Hi, Nat. So good afternoon, everyone.
So today, Dean, what will you be talking about to educate the audience about, warehouse solutions?
Okay. Now we'll be talking about the warehouse solution from Honeywell. So Honeywell solution is more on the barcode scanning, barcode printers, and mobile devices. So mobile devices is a solution for warehouse for the inventory management, asset tagging. So with all the likes that we're going to talk about that later.
All right, thank you, Dean. And again, for the audience, the reason why we're touching on this topic is because, as everyone experiences right now, diba, we're all quarantined. And the need for logistics, delivery has really become very, very critical for our day-to-day existence. And therefore, there's more and more businesses that are moving towards, warehouse and warehousing, right? Because depending on where the need is, you need to be closer to the customer that you're trying to serve. So with that, Dean, why don't you walk us through the SMB to enterprise warehouse solution that VST has?
Okay, let me share my screen for my presentation. So I'm going to present to you the solutions on the warehouse and manufacturing solution by Honeywell.
All right.
Okay. So Honeywell solutions in manufacturing and warehouse. Actually, I'll just going to give a little background about Honeywell. So Honeywell is a global company. So that focus on aerospace, security, and of course the AIDC. So which is the Honeywell productivity, which unders the barcode scanning, the label printers, and the mobile devices. So now, key challenges. So this is one of the important things that for in a warehouse or in a manufacturing workflow what are the key challenges? Okay, in the next 3 to 4 years, what will be your organizational business priorities? So 59% will be improve on supply chain performance, and 52% better operation and manufacturing and warehouse operational excellence. And the third one is the 44% is increase and focus on product and innovation. So, but wait, there's one more. So speaking of pandemic, and then we're in quarantine. So now we also include how to ensure worker safety and ensure minimum impact on product line. Okay. So this is the typical manufacturing and warehouse operation. So first is the receiving. So you can use a Honeywell mobility, scanner, and printer. And then second one is the storage. So mobility and scanner can be used. And then in the production, again, mobility, scanner, and printer. And then for the quality control, scanner and printer. And then for packing, so you have the mobility and scanner, printer as well. And shipping, again, the mobility, scanner, and printer. As you can see, all of the Honeywell solution can be used in a typical manufacturing and warehouse operation.
Okay. Right. So Dean, I think this before we get to the more technical details of this, I think what you're showing to the audience and to me is can we categorically say this is an end-to-end solution for the life cycle of warehouse and manufacturing?
Correct, Nat. So Natalie, so this is the complete solution, front end to back end, and then up to the shipping of the goods in the warehouse or in the manufacturing.
All right, go ahead, Dean. Continue with this very interesting.
Okay, this is the modern manufacturing workflow, modern manufacturing and warehouse workflow. Critical manufacturing processes supported by Honeywell. So first, as you can see here, there's a goods receiving. And then after the receiving, so they're going to use also goods receiving. There's, as you can see on the bottom of my screen, so there are different kinds of Honeywell devices that can be used on this. And we'll be discussing this a bit later. And then secondly is the storage and replenishment. Third is the production, and then the quality control, the packing, and shipping. So this is the workflow of the manufacturing and warehouse using Honeywell devices. Okay, real-time data analytics. So this is also considered by operational intelligence by Honeywell, so which we'll be discussing later. Okay, so let me show you this video. Different devices that we can use on this, for example, in production. That are the models.
Right. Have the social distance proximity detection, so the device will alarm if there's a coworker besides you. Okay, so that's the video of the actual workflows in the manufacturing or warehouse. Dean, I have a quick question for you. That's very interesting what you just shared. Yung proximity detection, is that something specific to a warehouse scenario, or can that be used also in a labor intensive
Yes.
industry like BPO?
Yeah. If you're going to use a Honeywell device, we can just activate the operational intelligence of Honeywell. So you can also for how many meters, for how many the range of the social distancing detector. So you can use that also.
All right, fantastic. I think that's great. So that's not just for a warehouse, I guess. Any operations, even in groceries, right? Supermarkets.
Correct.
It can detect. So how does that work, Dean? So the machine alarms you that
Yes.
you're getting too close?
Yes, correct. It will alarm.
Fantastic. That's interesting. So even in a construction site, that's very helpful, isn't it?
Yes. So nowadays, since we're in pandemic time, so this is one of the major development from Honeywell devices that the operational intelligence. So that is the social distancing detection, and then we also launched the ready disinfectant housing.
All right. So again, for the viewers, you see that although this presentation is really looking at warehouse and manufacturing, you will see that a specific product like Honeywell's operational intelligence actually can be used in multiple industries, because the social distancing or the physical distancing requirement is now the department order for DOLE and all the other government agencies in the Philippines. So if there is any space that will require people to be on, that's a very relevant solution, right, Pete?
Yes, correct, ma'am. So that is that is the main purpose of Honeywell launching this operational intelligence for that.
All right. So I guess you have a couple more, right, Dean, that you would like to
Yes.
talk about? Yes, please go ahead, sir.
Okay, now let's talk about the inventory management. So one of the important thing that a warehouse or a manufacturer should have is inventory management. But a lot of warehouses or a lot of owners are asking, how can we have a operational management in our warehouse or manufacturing? So this is Honeywell solve their problem. So first, this is the device. I'll just introduce to you the Granite. So this is an industry-leading 80 scan range for vertical warehouse. And then the CK65 enhancement. So new keypads, cold storage, camera, flex range, near or far range of this mobile device that can provide data on each warehouse for the inventory management.
When we released the first CK3 mobile computer, it brought best-in-class processing, battery life, scanning, and deployment all into an ergonomic design. Our newest mobile computers, the CK3X and CK3R, take these features even further. These mobile computers include the Texas Instruments OMAP architecture, just like in our other premium class products. This processor architecture delivers faster, more responsive application performance. The long lifespan ensures your devices are future-proof, and the lower power consumption dramatically increases battery life.
These new mobile computers have over twice the battery life of competitive devices. And since you won't have to change batteries as frequently, you won't have to discard aging batteries as often. Think about what that could save you over 5 years. The money you save on battery replacement alone could make a huge impact on your total cost of ownership. The CK3X offers near-far scanning with the industry-proven EX25 imager, letting you scan from 6 inches to 50 feet. You can also choose omnidirectional, high-motion tolerance scanning with the illuminated EA30 imager. The EA30 can also scan low-quality and low-contrast barcodes. The CK3R offers the illuminated EA31 area imager with capabilities similar to the EA30. The power of these imagers means your workers can efficiently capture the data they need, be it on distant, fast-moving, or even damaged barcodes.
We've simplified device configuration. Our powerful new Clone and Go tool provides the industry's easiest method to reliably provision devices exactly the same. Clone and Go is a powerful, license-free, peer-to-peer way to easily clone devices. It's ideal for the customer with little or no IT resource. Using a single master device, you can clone settings and applications to multiple client devices with 802.11 ad hoc wireless. When complete, the cloned unit will reboot automatically. It's a process that takes minutes rather than hours. It eliminates the need to individually configure devices or use a management console for device provisioning. This means you get up and running quicker and begin realizing cost savings immediately. And with onboard diagnostics and device health monitoring, managing these devices has never been easier.
The latest generation CK3 mobile computers are fully compatible with the existing CK3 infrastructure. We aren't just talking about charging accessories or modular add-ons such as the scan handle, RFID, or the interchangeable flex dock system. We're also talking about your current CK3 applications. And since these mobile computers are compatible with industry standard software like HTML5, they're also ready for the future. The CK3X and the CK3R are designed to meet your needs. The sleek, lightweight ergonomics have proven effective with users of all sizes, and the laser-etched keypad protects against wear and tear. When you combine them with a comprehensive Intermec solution, these mobile computers can help you find hidden margins. And Intermec Medallion Complete provides the protection you need for device repair or replacement, and that can give you peace of mind for the next 5 to 7 years.
The CK3X and CK3R are the latest mobile computers from a proven heritage. They open the door to improving your margins, helping you find ways to save money and improve productivity in all aspects of your in-premise operations. This is innovation at its best. This is the new CK3.
Okay, there you go. So that's the CK3X. Now that's the platform of that device is runs in Windows. But now, what good thing is Honeywell also launched the same as the purpose of the CK3X. Now it's a CK65, but it runs on Android. So as we know nowadays, Android is very very usual for any other for mobile phones and whatever. So now Honeywell also provide that for Android users. Okay. So another solution for Honeywell is the picking, sort, and receipt. Honeywell Operation Intelligence for the asset management. Voice-guided work. So Honeywell also provide voice-guided work. So yung sample nito is iuutos lang. So lahat ng gagawin ng worker sa isang araw, so naka-record na kaagad siya. So gagawin na lang yung worker, susundin na lang na susundin kung anong ipipick, anong i-replenish. So yun tinatawag na vote collect. This is the solution of Honeywell over voice. And then the smart talk, employee communication is a PT&T way of communication. So included also on the devices.
Right. Dean, quick question here. When you say it's included in the device, how does it communicate? Is it through Bluetooth? Is it through Wi-Fi?
Yes, it could be through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi.
Right. So, yung speed by which it connects, I guess yun yung mga potential question that I'm anticipating from the audience. What if poor yung internet connection? Would that interfere with this device?
Actually, it depends on the connection of the company or the warehouse. So the devices of Honeywell depends on that also.
I see. Okay.
Okay. We also have a wearable solution.
Honeywell wants to provide our customers with the option for hands-free applications. Just think of it. If you had to scan a couple thousand boxes a day and you had to pick up a terminal and set it down a couple thousand times a day, how much time you're wasting. The solution that we're offering, the combination of a hybrid D70E Dolphin Black computer with a set of accessories that convert it to a wearable, gives several advantages. It has a very large, easy-to-read screen, easy-to-use touchscreen keypad, and improved ergonomics on the mounting system. We've had a number of large customers do quite intensive industrial engineering time studies and prove to themselves that there was quite a payback. This wearable solution helps our customers improve productivity and at the same time minimizing deployment cost and time.
Okay, so that's a wearable solution, so included with the mobile device. Okay, now let's go to the shipment and labeling. So PM42 is a mid-range industrial printer, and then a PXIE is an industrial printer with RFID option. So as you can see, Honeywell is also ready for the IFID technology. Now, Honeywell and hardware and software component. Okay, so let me just walk through this, the Honeywell manufacturing and warehouse at glance. Of course, these are the different Honeywell scanners and printers for receiving of raw materials, for example, storage of raw materials, picking of production run, and then in the production, fabrication, assembly, testing, quality control, packing and storage and shipping. So you can use the Granite series, HF800, and then the ring scanner used also in the previous video, and then PX94E, and then a PM42 and the RP. We also have mobile printers. Okay. Next, so Honeywell manufacturing and warehouse at glance. So this is what I mentioned a while back. So the Android AIDC61K. For the CK65 is also run by Android. And the VM1A. So these are ito yung minamount sa mga forklift sa warehouse. So it's also a mobile device. And then new Android can run on Android and Windows 10. This is the RT10. So RT10 is one of the new solution of Honeywell that can be mounted on the forklift. And the IH25, IP30C. So these are for the RFID solutions. Now, for the scanners, so we have wireless scanners. So the Xenon 1952. So, and then scanning capability SR and HD scanner focus, general duty and healthcare version. We also have the healthcare version of this. So durability, so 50 drops at 1.8 meter, and IP52. Operational and data parsing, smart batteries, vertical horizon and cradles are also available on this model. Okay. So Xenon XP is 1952, is also battery free. So ready to go in 60, no productivity loss. Save on battery pool budget, and then go green. And then the Granite, the ultra rugged scanning. So scanning flex range imager. So top speed scanning, ultra rugged, best in class durability, and operational on smart batteries, remote control ready also. And then the 8680i, the mini mobile computer. So user direct interaction with host system, modular platform, superior uptime. The scanning has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. So this is one of the question of Nat a while back. So how do you connect the Honeywell devices? So for scanning, there's a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and NFC interactive display also. And then operational, offline mode available, standard and advanced offering, flexible battery offering also with this mobile computer. Okay, for the HF800 industrial fixed mount for the large warehouse or manufacturing, they use this model. So for electronics industry, food industry, automobile industry, and electrical equipment manufacturing. Let me show the video of this model. So you can see how fast the scanner can read the barcodes, different kinds of barcodes. Okay, so that's the HF800. Now let's go to our mobile printer. So Honeywell also carries the mobile printer, family of 2 and 4. High-speed printing and rugged design. Key features not found in other portable printers, receipt and laser printers. So this is the RP2 and RP4. So it comes with a 2 for 2 inches of consumable and 4 for the 4 inches consumable or size of paper. This is the video for this.
RP2 and RP4 are connected, rugged, fast mobile printers that really are designed for our customers' needs.
If there's one thing we learned from a lot of the research we did at the very beginning was that our customers just need the product to work. What we did is we added a hot swappable battery. What that means is you take out the battery, put in a new one, and it doesn't have to reboot because it maintains the connection, it maintains the data stream. There's no downtime.
It has the sensing technology that basically communicate to the cloud or to the management system of the companies. If the printhead fails, how many times it fails, it communicates the battery health, it communicates the drop count. What that gives our customer is a very efficient way to do asset management.
With that data, once it's collected and aggregated, we can basically see what the day in the life of it is. So it's essentially preventative maintenance, and that's pretty exciting stuff.
If you have RP2 and RP4, you will be connected and you will work seamlessly with a variety of different Honeywell products. They will help you to grow your business, they will help you to stay connected, and they will help you basically to protect your assets.
Okay, so that's our mobile printer. And now it's the PM42, is a mid-range warehouse and manufacturing printer. So easy integration into customer environment, IPL, DPL, ZPL, fingerprint. Increased productivity and fast processor print speed of 12 IPS. User-friendly, of course. And then the PXI series, what I mentioned a while back. So this is for the 24/7 warehouse or manufacturing. So we can use this. So they also have cutter accessories of cutter, rewinder, interface, and application card. And then for the PX9, this is one of the new model for Honeywell. So only high-performance industrial printer with integrated label verification, providing customers with error-free barcode scanners. So this is the futuristic printing. Actually, this is the first printer that can detect error on printing of barcodes. There's a verifier on it. And then now let's discuss the Honeywell hardware and software component. So for the hardware, software and component, so we have the Mobility Edge, a unified platform for mobile computing. So common SOM, system on module, common OS, software image, common software ecosystem. So Android OS support through R to up to 2028. So as you can see, no, so kung halimbawa yung bumili kayo ngayon ng mobile device, so supported ni Honeywell yung kanyang OS hanggang 2028. So there's a minimizing cost and effort, accelerate time to value, and maximize ROI. Okay, enterprise level and investment protection as well. Then the ScanPal series, these are the entry levels for SMB. So EDA51, so it looks like a mobile phone without keypad. And then the EDA51K, there's a keypad. That's the meaning of the K, is the keypad. So and then the EDA61K, so and then EDA71. So EDA71 is our tablet, so 7-inch tablet. And then for the EDA51K, so best in class, of course, the durability of IP65, ergonomic design as well, and cost effective. And then for the EDA61K, so first mobile device integrated with cellular communication and long range scan image. Okay. So video. This is the solution of the
Thor Veeam 3 is the industry's most capable full-size
vehicle-mounted
mobile
forklift in the
computer.
warehouse and manufacturing.
With the Thor Veeam 3, you gain power to take advantage of the latest security and productivity-enhancing features today, and the compatibility you need to upgrade as your business needs grow in the future. Built with memory expandable up to 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB solid-state disk, the Thor Veeam 3 can run powerful programs and applications to maximize efficiencies in activities such as case picking, truck loading, put away, and replenishment. Plus, the Thor Veeam 3 supports multiple Microsoft Windows-based operating systems, so integration and application development are simple. The Thor Veeam 3, Honeywell's most capable full-size vehicle mount computer, smartly designed to deliver unmatched operational efficiencies in the toughest supply chain environments.
Now let's go to the Honeywell software technology. So the Honeywell Smart Talk. So all-in-one communication solution. So push to talk, the PTT, calling, voicemail, and user presence, contacts, and favorites. So before we're just going in operation, we're using our mobile phone to talk. But this one is also powered with the push to talk. So parang walkie-talkie type yung all communication solution ni Smart Talk. So help desk access, and then supports back-end system, call part, transfer, and call pickup. Video, instant messaging, group messaging as well. And then for the operational intelligence, so spare pool manager, so smart alert manager, find device, so drop detection. This intelligent solution also can detect the drop of the main units, and then health crisis response, and then the smart battery analysis, and this is also the social distancing detection as well. Okay. And then this is the video for the
real challenge that customers have is they can't tell exactly what's wrong when something's not efficient. They can see the symptoms of the problem, but they don't have enough information to know exactly where to go to fix the problem. My role is to explain to our customers what operational intelligence can do to solve their problems. If you think about a warehouse, in a warehouse environment, product is flowing into the warehouse, it's getting moved around, it's getting put on different trucks, it is being shipped out to the different stores or the different locations they needed to go to. All of that is managed with mobile computers and barcode scanners and printers. The companies that use this kind of technology to track their data capture, track their product movement, are really committed to this technology.
The primary problem currently is that they have these devices and they really have no way to manage and track these devices today. They have no way to be able to know how they're being used, what's being done with them as their employees are using them. New technologies always comes with this new set of problems.
Operational intelligence was created to address these exact problems for customers, to provide intelligent insights into what's really going on with their processes, with their people, and with their technologies. We've got a customer that is losing a lot of equipment in their retail stores. And one of the things that they're doing with operational intelligence is using our locationing feature to know exactly where the equipment is at any time in their store to help them find it when it turns up missing. Another very common example are batteries. Batteries in a warehouse are inconsistently used, and therefore some of the batteries need to be replaced and others don't. But companies can't tell the difference in a good battery and a bad battery, and they have to spend thousands of dollars replacing batteries that they don't need to. Operational intelligence is going to set the standard for the kinds of information you can know about your equipment and about your processes. The real challenge.
Okay, now let's talk about the warranty of this is the common question of the customers, no? So Nat, this is the warranty of the Honeywell. So for mobile computers, we have a 1-year standard warranty. For all the printers, also have a 1-year standard warranty, except the RP series, which is the RP2 and RP4, which is the mobile computer, 2 years warranty. And then for the barcode scanners, for the corded scanners, we have 5 years warranty. And then for the wireless scanners, 3 years. Optional support and maintenance contract also as well. I support, so installation and training for end user as a designated fee with that. And then for the support and maintain, so service of every customer, platinum contracts, and then gold contracts, and then a basic agreement warranty. And then another question of the customers, or if you're going to ask, do you have available service centers? Yes, of course. For us VST ECS, we have Metro Manila, Visayas, and Mindanao service centers for Honeywell. Okay, so I think that's all, Nat. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Dean. Thank you. I think this is a very thorough presentation of the end-to-end solution that Honeywell has. So I think the last thing that we would like to encourage the audience, Dean, would be if they want to know more about price and other very pertinent details, they could visit you on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So we will put it on the chat box so that people can
Okay.
follow. And then again, if they want to get a hold of you, Dean, all the social media contacts are there so that they can contact you and learn more about the product. And to close us off, Dean, again, thank you so much for a very thorough presentation. For those who are watching, the important thing that you can take away from this is there are new solutions that are available in the market now. Do not get stuck with the old way of doing things, because there are better, more effective and efficient way of doing things, and using technology solutions that have lasted for years and decades would help you would help achieve your goal in business. So with that, we close you off again. Dean, thank you so much. And for all those of you who are watching, if you're interested for Honeywell products, reach out to Buildy or reach out to the website that we have given you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nat.